How to fix your payment method was declined App Store. If you're seeing the your payment method was declined message on the App Store and you're unable to make purchases or download apps, don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'll walk you through the steps to fix this issue on iOS 18, so let's dive right in. First, let's make sure your payment method information is up to date. Go to settings, then tap on your name at the top and select payment and shipping. Check the details of your payment method. Make sure your credit card, debit card, or PayPal account is still valid and hasn't expired. If there's an issue, you can update your payment method by simply tapping on Edit and adding a new one. Also, make sure your billing address is correct. Go to Payment Settings, Payment and Shipping, and here at the bottom, here you can see billing address. Simply check that also. Sometimes your payment method is declined if you have an outstanding balance on your Apple ID. You can check your balance and recent purchases by going to settings and tapping on your name and selecting iTunes and App Store, or you can also go to media and purchases and simply click on view account, and if there's an outstanding balance, make sure to pay it off or resolve any billing issues before attempting to make a new purchase. If the issue persists, simply try adding a different payment method. You can add another credit card or debit card or use PayPal if that's an option in your country. Just tap on add payment method and follow the prompts to add a new one. Also, make sure that your Apple ID and account information are up to date. Simply click on password and security in settings and make sure you have verified your account. Lastly, make sure if there is a software update available, then simply update it. Go to General and tap on Software Update, and if there is an update available, simply update it. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these steps help you resolve the your payment method was declined issue on the App Store.